Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Command Prompt as administrator. This gives you permission to change system settings. Next, confirm current resolution so you know the target versus current values. Use DXDiag or look in display settings. Once done, identify the display adapter and monitor model to avoid driver conflicts when applying new modes. You do this now so later commands target the correct device. Make sure to close other display tools to prevent resource locks before proceeding to mode changes. Now you will run the commands that change the resolution. If using built-in tools, call PowerShell from CMD to set display resolution. If using QRes or NIR-CMD, place the executable path, then supply width, height, and refresh rate arguments. Explain why. Specifying exact values prevents the system from guessing a wrong mode. Once executed, test the new mode temporarily so you can revert quickly if the monitor cannot display it. If you see distortion, stop and revert before continuing. Finally, persist the resolution by creating a small batch or PowerShell script that runs at login or by updating the display profile so settings survive restarts. This is why persistence matters. After applying, verify in display settings and run a quick full-screen app to confirm correct scaling. If the change fails, revert immediately using your saved command. One key troubleshooting tip: if the screen is blank or unstable, boot safe mode. Reinstall or update the graphics driver, then retry the safe resolution change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.